What's up, guys, and welcome to another weekly trading recap. So, in this video, as you know, we review all the trades taken on this past week. It was not a profitable week, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, but it was my fault. Oh, I'm gonna back test all the trades that I took this week. What could I have done to avoid some losses that I took? And also, on what did I fail on taking these trades? Also, it hasn't been the best day. Honestly, I saw that crypto is plumbing pretty hard, so right now I'm losing kind of like a little bit of money today. Well, not a little bit, no, bitch chunk. My portfolio is down like 35% to 40%, so it's very sad right now. But guess what? We're gonna buy more. Why? This video is not about crypto, but I'm just gonna be very brief. I think that they're just scaring people out to then boost up the price all the way up because there are some greedy fuckers that want to get all the money and scare all the soft hands. So that's what I think. I'm gonna guide myself by that thought and buy some more. But anyways, straight to the point. Let's see all the trades taken this week. So let's start by Monday. Let's go all the way back to Monday. Monday. Right here. So Monday we start off pretty strong. It was a sell. Let's check out what was going through my mind before this sell right here. But I can see it was kind of obvious. It was not that hard to take. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame because that's where I trade the most, 30-minute and 15-minute. So here you can see this big candlestick all the way down, 30-minute candle closure like this. So this is a pretty good signal of the market going bearish. And as soon as I saw the signal, I'm guessing that in the 15-minute time frame, yep, so 9:30 closed perfectly under this right here, doing like a little break and retest from this little area. It's not a strong zone of support and resistance or supply and demand, but it is a pretty good area to hop in a sell. So hop in a sell right here after it rejected this part a little bit and it went straight to profits. That's my guess. Yep. News kicked in this day. It went in my favor. So pretty good move. I took out a 1 to 3 risk to reward, so pretty good. Started the week pretty strong. So now let's go all the way to Tuesday. Tuesday, I'm not sure if it was a winning day or a losing day. Probably a winning day, hopefully, but it was not a profitable week, so it might be a loss. All right, let's see what happened right here. So Tuesday, okay, I see what happened on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, the market kind of like wanted to go bullish, but I wanted to hop on a sell all the way to this retracement over here because I thought the market was going to do a retracement. Okay, and then also this was the same area that the market rejected the day before, which it was Monday. So 30-minute time frame closed out like this, which on my strategy, I'm supposed to buy if I got a closure of the 30-minute candlestick like this. So this day, I'm pretty sure I was guiding myself because of the closure in 15-minute, which was like this. So that's a pretty good signal to sell for me, in my opinion. But also, I was not paying attention to the 30-minute time frame, which I should have waited. Let's see what could I have done better this day. Let's go to a 5-minute time frame and check out something real quick. So I use Fibonacci sometimes. So this tool is pretty legit when you're not sure and when you don't have a trade in supply and demand zones. So let's say if you don't have a trade currently in supply and demand, you could also put a Fibonacci retracement and just continue with the trend. That was my mistake. I was thinking that the market was going to do a big retracement to go all the way up. And here's my mistake. And also that in 30-minute time frame, it closed out like this, which is a good entry to buy. And so I went against my rules this day and against my strategy. just because I wanted to catch the same trade of the day before, which I didn't. It didn't play out. So this was a rookie mistake. It should have not happened at all. But it is what it is. Pretty sure I didn't risk that much that day since it was not an A plus setup. When it's not an A plus setup, I don't risk that much. I risk less than the 1% that I usually risk. So let's go to Wednesday real quick. Okay, Wednesday. Let's see what happened on Wednesday. Okay, so on Wednesday, I did put a trade, very low risk, but I did put a trade on Tokyo session, which I don't usually trade, but I thought the market was gonna go down after touching this strong area of support and resistance or supply and demand zone, but no, it completely broke it and went all the way up. Over here, I did bought, and it was a pretty good trade, pretty quick. So this is a good entry right here. If I would have guided myself from rejections of this area, I would have been fucked because I could have sell. But I wanted to follow the trend since the last two trades I took were losses because of not following the trend. So this day, I'm pretty sure I used the Fibonacci. Let's check real quick. Well, let's check 30-minute time frame first. Well, the closure of the one before, I didn't like it that much, but as I was saying, I wanted to continue the trend. So I then pretty sure I put a Fibonacci from up here to all the way down here and waited for a rejection. So as always, I don't enter as soon as 9:30 touches. I wait the first 5 minutes of the candle. So as soon as I saw rejections, excuse me, from this area, I decided to enter in a buy, and it went straight to profits. So it was a pretty good trade. Thursday was a winning day. So as of right now, it's 2 losses and 2 wins. So I was in profit by, so let's say 1.5% of loss, and then 2%, that's 4%. Subtract 1.5%, that is a total of 2.5% in profit for the week. But Friday was the day where I got pretty fucked. I risked that day way too much. I risked 1.5% on the first trade, and then on the second trade, I risked 1.5%, so I lost 3%. That put me at a negative 0.5 for the week, which I could have just followed the trend on Friday. I don't know why the fuck I was not following the trend. I'm gonna explain you guys why I was not following the trend this day. So, it was a historical week on gold this week because it broke all-time highs. Not once, which this is the first time over here in this consolidation. This is a new world record of gold price. But twice on Friday, this thing decided to fly, right? And then for me, what I was thinking at 9:30 was that, okay, so I saw price doing this, boom, bullish engulfing. This could have been a good buy, but I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait. How does the 1 hour closed out? So let's check out. I was like, the last 1 hour candle closed like this, rejecting this area right here, which it was acting as resistance. And it was like a mini head and shoulders. So I was like, ooh, the price is going to go down. Head and shoulders, all-time highs. Usually when it's at all-time highs, it plumbs a little bit, or at least it does a retracement. It's targeting this retracement over here. And guess what, guys? Don't go against the trend, because this is what happened. Boom. Honestly, it was kind of my fault as well, because there's a bullish engulfing right here, breaking this area. Should have waited for this. As soon as I saw this right here, I should have just fucking changed my bias and follow the trend. But I don't know. I got stubborn this day. So, boom, of course, got taken out. And then I waited to the next hour candle. It's like, okay, the 4 hour candle just closed, right? Now the retracement is coming because now it broke more all-time highs, which I was kind of right, but I entered way too soon. As you can see, the market ended up going in my direction, but I end up getting stopped out. And yeah, got stopped out. And then it went to my direction, and yep, I could have won this trade, but it is what it is. Negative week, so basically I was pretty close to pass my one step challenge. I was this close to get funded. But now I'm all the way back to only 2% profit in the account, which puts me at I got a win this week 6%. So 3 trades in a row. If I entered a 3-day win streak, I get funded with 200K. 200K, bro. And guess what? I'm gonna make it happen. Like this week or next week. But it's gonna happen. But as of right now, everything is going down. Crypto is going down. Gold is going down. Probably the stock market's going down. So yeah, guys, good luck this week. Please trade carefully. Hopefully you make a lot of money or make profits on your funded account or pass the challenge. And see you guys later. Sorry for the lateness for this video. Almost forgot to post it, but please share, comment, subscribe, like. Just give it some love, man. And have a great night.